Dear students, today we are going to learn about the equations of motion, and we are going to learn the method how can we derive these equations of motion using calculus method. So earlier we have been studied that acceleration of a body can be expressed like this: a is equal to dv by dt. If I am going to change the side, then it will be what? dv is equal to a dt. Okay, now we are going to take the integration. For this we are assuming that initially a body is moving with velocity u. After time dt, its velocity became v, and moving with uniform acceleration a. So and the time dt, that is what, from t0 to t, that is the time. So if you are going to integrate, then definite integration we have to take here, that is dv from where, u to v, is equal to integration of this, that is what, from 0 to t a dt. Now if we are going to integrate this left hand side, then we are going to have v, and limits from u to v is equal to, here a will be constant, so integration will be of t only, and limits from 0 to t. If you are going to put the values of limit, then it will be v minus u is equal to a t minus 0, and we are going to have v minus u is equal to a t, or we can say v is equal to u plus a t, and this is what, this is our equation of motion first. I think we got it, equation of motion first. Now if we talk about the equation of motion second, then how can we get that second equation of motion? Let's see. Here on the right side we are going to do equation of motion second. From the same assumption, if we talk about velocity, then we can write like this: v is equal to dx by dt. Now we know very well what is dx here, that change in position, that we can say displacement. Again, if I am going to rearrange it, then it will be what, dx is equal to v dt. Okay, now if we are going to integrate it, then it will be dx. Let us assume that its initial position is x0 and final position is x. Likewise here again we are going to integrate, that is what, v dt. But from first equation we know that v can be written like this: u plus at dt. We are putting just the value of v. So now just at present we are not going to integrate it, we are just putting the values, and we are going to arrange the right hand side first. Now it will be what, u dt, and t is from 0 to t, plus integration 0 to t a t dt, like this. Okay, now if I am going to integrate this dx, then integration of dx will be x, and limits are from x is equal to x0 to x, and here again integration of u, because it is dt and u is initial velocity, that is independent of time, so integration of dt will be there only from 0 to t. Likewise here again a is constant, because uniform acceleration is being taken place, so it will be 0 to t, and integration of t will be taken place only. Now if I am going to do it here, then upper limit minus lower limit is equal to, here again integration of dt is simply t, and it will be what, 0 to t. Likewise here a, and integration of t is what, t square upon 2, and now put the values, that is limits, that is 0 to t only. Now here let that x minus x0 I am assuming s, so I can write it here, s is equal to here u and limits t minus 0 plus here again a, and I am taking common 2, so here I am going to have t square minus 0, that is, or s is equal to u t plus half a t square, and now it is what, this is our equation 2. It is our equation 2. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now if we talk about the second equation, third one, so we can in a similar way we can find out the third equation also. For third equation, let us see what to do. We know that a is equal to dv by dt. Now if I divide this dv by dt by dx, and I am just rearranging it, so it is what, being dv by dx and dx by dt. What I just did, I have just rearranged it, dv upon dx and dx by dt. But one thing we know, that dx by dt becomes v, velocity. So it will be what then, v dv by dx. Now if I am going to again rearrange it, then it will be what, a dx is equal to v dv. Now we are going to integrate it, so integrate it, a dx, that is from x is equal to 0 to x, that is from initial position to final position. Here integration v dv, from initial velocity to final velocity. Here a is the uniform acceleration, so it will be constant, integration will be of only x, so x is equal to 0 to x, dx is equal to here, and the integration of v only, that will be what, in next step we are going to do. At present I am going to write it as it is, vu to v dv. Okay, now the integration of dx, that is simply x, from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to, and here v square by 2, and limits are what, from u to v. Here I can write like this, x minus x0, higher limit minus lower limit, is equal to, here what I can write, v square, I am taking out 2, v square minus u square. Okay, let x minus x0 again s, so I can write it is a s is equal to 1 by 2 v square minus u square, or I can change the side, 2a s is equal to v square minus u square, or I can rearrange it, so I am going to have v square is equal to u square plus 2a s. Now what is it? It is our third equation. So this way we got